This is quick tutorial for WaySync-M. Follow these simple 5 steps. Step 1. Set up WaySync-M. Step 2. File transfer between WaySync-D and M. Step 3. Conducting field timing verification and recording travel runs. Step 4. Review the recordings. And Step 5. Generate performance reports. Find WaySync-M in the Apple Store and install the app. After the installation, you need to register if you have not already done so. Once you have successfully registered, you can log in and bind the device. It is important to allow location service in settings. If you want to use cloud to store and transfer files, you need to link the cloud service such as Dropbox. If you would like to change some of the default settings, go to Me and select Settings to make changes. Next, you need to transfer the file from WaySync-D to M. We will go over 2 common methods, email and cloud. The third option is to use iTunes or third-party software. Method 1. Email the file as an attachment. Open the email and the attachment on the device. Use the Share File function to open the file in WaySync-M. Method 2. Use the cloud, such as Dropbox and iCloud. A folder named Apps is where the files are stored. Use the Download and Upload function to transfer files between WaySync-M and the cloud. Once the file is loaded to WaySync-M, you are ready to go to the field to check the timing and to record GPS runs. Find the subsystem on the map and open the timing plan. Alternatively, you could also access the subsystems using the Data tab at the bottom. It is useful when there are a large number of subsystems. Click where the arrow is pointing to open the dynamic time-space diagram. Press the big red button to start the recording. If you notice the controller clock drift, you can then manually sync the app with the field controllers. You can precisely adjust the time by going into the master clock. Or open the signal and manually adjust from there. Tap the adjustment icon. Tap any phase to bring the timeline to the end of green of the phase. Once the travel runs are collected, you can now review from the app. Select the subsystem and timing plan you'd like to review by tapping Historical GPS and Video. All the recorded files are automatically named and saved. Swipe left to delete the ones you do not wish to keep. You can select individual files or tap the subsystem name to select all the files that match the current system. Now all the trajectories are shown on the time-space diagram based on which you can generate various performance measures and reports. It also provides several options for how you would want to display the trajectories. WaySync-M can generate 3 types of performance reports. The statistics report shows both individual runs as well as the summarized ones in each direction. You can export this report to CSV file for further processing in Excel. The GPS stop report shows where most stops occurred. The third report is what is called the Corridor Synchronization Performance Index, developed and adopted by Orange County, California. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best experience of using this powerful tool.